So this is a project. We have a button at the very end so that you can easily access it, and then we have our display at this end so that you can clearly see the letters that are, or the numbers that are being displayed on here. And then we have our speaker in the middle so you can hear it really well, and all of our wires are pretty out of the way so it's not in the way of anything.
So the block diagram shows a general overview of how everything's connected to each other. So each of the button, speaker, and display are all connected to the digital pins on the Arduino itself. And the display is connected to the speaker in series, and that's connected to the ground pin on the Arduino. And the button itself is attached to the 5-volt through a resistor on the Arduino.
So our project is basically a lock. The user inputs Morse code dots and dashes, which is then compared to a set numerical password of 4639.
So on our breadboard, we only have one display. So throughout the project, me and Hallie, we worked on 2 displays to see which one was better. I worked on an LCD, which didn't work out too well.
I worked on a 7-segment 1-digit display, which was the one that we went with because it worked.
And if we type a correct password, it will play a short and beautiful sounds. But if the password was incorrect, it will make a unpleasant noise. We used A equals Arduino function to connect a Arduino from specific components and set up 1 times 9 Morse code and number array. The most important part is to use tick and talk function to get duration of pressing button and decide code to be dot or dash depend on duration. Then the final dot dash will be sum of 5 input codes.
So for the bill of materials and the novelty, we use a push button, 20 jumper wires, 1-digit 7-segment display, of course the Arduino, the breadboard, 2 330 ohm resistors, the speaker, and the total cost, if you want to do this yourself, is $28.29. The novelty for the project is that when the correct password is put in, the speaker will of course play the opening theme to Game of Thrones. And we also have the references right here.